are shooting our issue 5 fashion editorial. I really hope that when people see the final product, it really inspires them to try something different with their fall wardrobe, layer things a little bit differently, style pieces a little bit differently than they normally would. I really try to make things really attainable and realistic in our shoots. That way it's something that people could go out and just really be inspired to take those trends and be really adventurous with their fashion choices for the fall.